Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very simple recipe and very delicious recipe. It's called stir-fry pineapple with beef. So what I have here is one pineapple that's been cut into chunks like this. One white onions that's been cut into pieces like this. And one red bell pepper that's been cut into pieces like this. And some scallion, some cut up scallions, and I got a 0.8 pounds of beef right here. This is it's called certified Angus beef beef stir fry. So it's already cut and everything. You don't need to do any cutting. And the first thing we need to do for this recipe is to marinate the beef. So it's already been cut to slice like this already, to strip like this already. You don't need any more cutting. All right, marinate the beef. Just basically some soy sauce. It's about a teaspoon of that. Cornstarch. Just enough to coat the beef. So I would let the beef marinate about 10 minutes or so, just let it sit. And the next thing we need to do is make the sauce. To make the sauce for this stir fry, you can use a chicken broth. This is a store-bought chicken broth, no MSG in there, no MSG. So just put maybe a quarter of a cup right here. Add a little bit of honey. I got organic honey right here, 100% pure honey. Or you don't have that, you can use sugar, brown sugar will do. Use 1 tablespoon of that. Oyster sauce. About a tablespoon of that. Mix it really good. Need a little bit of cornstarch in there. To thicken up the stir fry. So maybe 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. If you want spiciness, just add chili garlic sauce right here. Add some of that into the sauce. 1 teaspoon of that. Soy sauce. Add about a tablespoon of that. 3 cloves of garlic. Just press it right here. We have, if you don't have this kind of presser right here, you just chop it up. So 3 cloves of that. 3 cloves of garlic. Just press it. Or if you don't have this thing, just chop it up. Well, 1 teaspoon of oil, that's it. And bring the pan to really hot. All right, put the beef in. Kind of spread it out. And just don't disturb it for about 15 seconds or so. So don't disturb the beef. Just let it caramelize a little bit for about 15 seconds. Alright, about 15 seconds, then you can stir it now. Flip it to the other side, kind of caramelize a little bit on the bottom there. That's what you want. Flip it to the other side. Let it caramelize on the other side for another 15 seconds or so. Alright, now start stirring. It shouldn't take so long to cook the beef at all. Probably a minute or two to cook the beef. So you don't want to cook all the way. You probably want about 75% done. Alright, then remove the beef. Just remove it. That's it. Put another a teaspoon of oil. And put the onion in. Give a little stir. Yeah, make sure you cook down the onion a little bit. The red bell pepper in. So this is the main ingredient, the pineapple. Put the beef back in. And now put the sauce. Just let it cook by another minute or so. That's it. It should be done. If you want to, you can put a little bit of ground pepper on the top. A little bit of ground up pepper. Add some more spiciness. Alright, that's it. Let's plate it up. It's done. Turn off the stove. So just put a little bit of green onion on the top, just for garnish. Well, so this is the final product, stir-fry pineapple with beef. So it's a very delicious recipe right here. Let's give it a taste. Oh, this is good. The sauce is sweet, so is the pineapple. This is a very good recipe. So I hope you give this recipe a try. That's a stir-fried pineapple with beef. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you.